Hi, you must have heard about the Mavic Mini 2, which is incredible drone. It's less than 250 grams, does 4K, it can fly almost 11 kilometers because of the AquaSync 2.0. Is it better than my Mavic Air? Probably, but am I gonna buy it? Well, let's talk about it. Okay, so the Mavic Mini 2 just been released in the last few weeks, and I thought, that's amazing drone. It can do 4K just like my Mavic Air 1. It can fly 11 kilometers away with the AquaSync 2.0, which is definitely better than this Mavic Air. Well, what's the problem with it then? Why might I not just jump at it and buy it? Because it's a dream drone in Canada. You don't need to register that drone, and you can pretty much fly it in a safe way, of course, any way you want, as long as you're safe about it, right? So that would be a Canadian drone pilot, especially a starter, a dream drone. Problem with it? Well, you see, the same problem that happened with the Mavic Mini 1. That's the reason why I didn't buy the Mavic Mini 1 in the first place, because it didn't have any follow me or active track or even waypoint. I mean, if they have one of those three, I would jump at it. The price is actually quite reasonable, right? I mean, it's if you buy the combo, well, it's around $800-900, which is expensive. But if you had to start all over again, that would be the drone that you want to get. But because of the follow me, active sync, and the waypoint that wasn't added, I was quite disappointed actually. I mean, I know that they don't have the the front and the back sensor like the Mavic Air 1, but still what they could have done is maybe just add the waypoint where you can plot the flight plan in the open field. So for example, if I'm doing a one-man short film, I can plan the flight going across while I walk. That would be amazing. I mean, I'm not asking a lot. I'm just asking a way for it to fly on its own, very slow velocity, constant velocity, maybe like 1 meter every 5 seconds. That'd be awesome. Even indoor, right? That'd be incredible. But nope, they didn't do that. Why? I hope that they do that, then I'll consider buying it. But for now, because of their lack of automation, an inability to fly on its own, well, they do have this activated drone-y effect, like where you can do flying around yourself and all that, but it's still not what I wanted. I wanted something where it follows a straight path, like active track, it follows you, or at least you can plan the flight so that it flies at a constant speed, very, very, very slow, like cinematic, almost like a some kind of dolly effect like this. And then you can then walk beside it. So you basically don't need a cameraman. You can do that yourself on a very windless day. So that's what I wanted. That would be amazing. And that would be a drone that would add to my collection. I already have the Mavic Air. I already have the Phantom 4 Pro V2, and I also have the Mavic 2 Pro, which is already an amazing drone. This is why I'm not upgrading. It's just, yeah, it's just not what I wanted and not what I needed. I mean, Mavic Air 1 does the job. I don't fly it that far anyway. And if I do want to fly really far, I go with my Mavic 2 Pro. And I already have my basic drone pilot. So really, this 250 or less gram drone won't add anything to my drone collection. The only advantage, of course, is because it's less than 250, you can fly closer than 30 meters. So, I mean, for within yourself, right? I'm not talking about in a crowd area. You cannot fly over, commercial area anyway. But let's say if you want to make a short film of yourself or a couple people, you can get closer than 30 meters. That's fine because there's no regulation with very small drone. Like these are called the micro drones, less than 250 grams. So yeah, that'd be an advantage. But because of its inability to fly on its own, which I'm a one-man camera guy, I would prefer to have that. That would save me a lot of time, right? It's all about time saving. And the drone, the Mini 2, does not provide that. So not for me. Sorry, DJI, if you're listening, please do add that follow me, active track, or waypoint. If you do that, you'll get my money. Other than that, it's a no for me. Thanks for watching EducateTube.com.